Hi, my name is Darren Casey, Director of Product Development here at Aurora Lighting. Today I'm here to talk to you about our popular range of fire-rated downlights, but also the comprehensive fire testing we conduct across our range to ensure that they are compliant in a wide selection of different applications and installations. For those who sell, install and use fire-rated products, such as contractors, wholesalers and property developers, it is important for everyone to understand the complexity around fire testing and the minimum periods of fire resistance. Whether it's a solid timber joist, I-joist or metal web joist ceiling construction, testing is required with each individual fire-rated downlight type, and that is what we will be discussing in this video. The National House Building Council, or NHBC, requires proof that fire-rated downlights have been tested and approved for use within a range of different structural joists, whether that be solid timber, I-joist or metal web joist. We're pleased to confirm that a range of Aurora's most popular integrated fire-rated downlights, like the M Pro, A6 and the new architectural downlights Primo, plus the EFD fire-rated cans, have been approved with a number of joist options. Over the past 20 years, Aurora has established itself as one of the largest fire-rated downlight manufacturers in the UK and at the forefront of compliance and testing, ensuring that at all times our downlights comply and meet with the latest approvals and regulations required by the residential building industry. Aurora tests the BSEN 1365-2 2014, which is a more stringent and European-wide standard than the older BS 476 standard. Designed with the installer in mind, Aurora's downlights include a number of innovative design features to simplify the installation, making our range the contractor's first choice. So let's start with a solid timber joist ceiling construction. The key thing here is that it is important to remember that having undertaken a single test for 90 minutes does not mean that the product is suitable for all 30, 60 and 90-minute duration applications. For the product to be fully compliant in all 30, 60 and 90-minute installations, 3 separate tests for each time duration and ceiling construction will need to be carried out. At Aurora, we have test certificates for all 3 durations across our range of fire-rated downlights. Historically, timber joists were used in residential applications, but now it is more common for I-joists to be installed. As I-joists are manufactured using less material, they can experience a quicker burn-through time, which is why it is essential that the ceilings are tested with each ceiling construction and downlight combination. Last year, the NHBC stated that steps should be taken to ensure that fire-rated downlights are compliant with the I-joists that are being used in new build homes. They require that appropriate assessments or tests are carried out on specific fire-rated downlights and ceiling constructions. Over the last year, we have increased our fire testing to further include I-joists. It is important to note that one test with one I-joist manufacturer does not give you automatic approval with any other manufacturer. A separate test is required for each individual engineered joist and ceiling construction. Here at Aurora, we have committed to ensure that our most popular fire-rated downlights have been tested with the most popular I-joist manufacturers on the market: Staircraft, James Jones Joists, Metzer Wood and Styco, to name a few. Most recently, we were pleased to announce that we now also have conducted and passed fire tests with a range of our popular fire-rated downlights and the popular metal web joist, Easy Joist by Wolf Systems. Fire, acoustic and air leakage testing is something that we will continue to heavily invest in, and for all the latest, please continue to check our website for the most up-to-date test results. If you have any questions or would like further information, please feel free to contact our customer service team. To purchase compliant Aurora fire-rated downlights, visit your nearest Aurora stockist. Thank you.